Hi, welcome to our lesson today in General Mathematics. This is our first lesson. I hope you are ready to do the activities I have prepared. At the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to define function as a relation, identify whether an ordered pair, relation or correspondence, table of values, graph and equation are functions, and represent real-life situations using functions. Now let us move on to our lesson proper, and this is representing real-life situations using functions. Are you ready? First question is, what is a function? A function is a relation where each element in the domain, or x, is related to only one value in the range, or y. In this lesson, we will have 5 ways to represent function. Look at the first item, ordered pairs. A function is a set of ordered pairs, x, y, such that no two ordered pairs have the same x value but different y values. The following ordered pairs are functions. Examples of ordered pairs that represent function. Set f is a function because all the x values are different. Nothing is repeated. F is equal to 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 5, and 4, 7. Set G, 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9, and n, 3, n. Set G is also a function. No two x values are the same. Another way of expressing function is through a relation. A relation may also be a function if it conforms with either of the following: A. One-to-one relation, B. Many-to-one relation. One-to-one relation shows that each first element is paired with only one second element. As we can see in the arrow diagram, the pairs are 1, 3, 2, 5, 3, 9, 4, 17, and 5, 33. For many-to-one relation, several elements in the first set are paired to only one element in the second set. Another way of presenting function is through the table of values. For function, each domain or x value must have exactly one range or y value. Now, repetition was observed for each domain of both table of values. That is why this is a function. Another example of a table of values which is a function, as you can see, the values are 1, 2, 3, and n. No repetition was done for the x values. Therefore, this is a function. Number 4, the vertical line test. A graph represents a function if and only if no vertical line intersects the graph in more than one point. Let us look at several examples. If you draw a vertical line to any part of this curve, you will find out that the vertical line has an intersection on a part of this curve only once. If you draw a vertical line to any part of this line, you will find out that the vertical line intersects the line only once. Therefore, this graph represents function. This is an example of a graph which is not functional. You can see that there are more than one intersection with the vertical line. Another representation of function is an equation. It is relatively easy to determine whether an equation is a function by solving for y. When you are given an equation and a specific value for x, there should only be one corresponding y value for that x value. Let's have an example. A, y is equal to x plus 1. If x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 1. The resulting ordered pair is 0, 1. If x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 2. 1, 2. If x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 3. 2, 3. If x is equal to negative 1, then y is equal to 0. Negative 1, 0. If x is equal to negative 2, then y is equal to negative 1. Negative 2, negative 1. Now the domains are 0, 1, 2, negative 1, and negative 2. Not one of these values is repeated. Therefore, this equation is a function. Letter B, y is equal to 3x. If x is equal to negative 2, then y is equal to negative 6. The resulting ordered pair is negative 2, negative 6. If x is equal to negative 1, then y is equal to negative 3. Negative 1, negative 3. If x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 0. 0, 0. If x is equal to 1, then y is equal to positive 3. 1, 3. If x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 6. 2, 6. The domains are negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. Not one of these values is repeated. Therefore, this equation is a function. You got this. This time, we will look at how function is represented through real-life situations. Number 1, represent the function when C is the cost of buying X meals for 40 pesos per meal. Solution. C is the cost of meals. X is equal to the number of meals, and 40 pesos is the cost of a meal. Therefore, the function C in terms of X, or C of X, is equal to 40X. Another example, a person is earning 600 per day to do a certain job. Express the total salary S as a function of the number of days D that the person works. Solution, the total salary S of D is equal to 600D. This is the function of the total salary in terms of the number of days worked. Number 2, a function is a set of ordered pairs xy such that blank two ordered pairs have the same x value but different y values. Number 4, in the case of table of values, each domain or x value must have exactly blank range or y value. Where do we usually use function in our everyday life? Function can often be used to model real-life situations. Example, the circumference of a circle is a function of its diameter or radius. Second example, the length of a person's shadow on the floor is a function of his height or the distance of the light to the person. Number 3, when driving a car, the distance traveled depends on how long is the time or the speed of the car. Number 4, amount of money earned depends on the hours worked and the rate per hour or per day. And number 5, the temperature of hot chocolate and the time it has been prepared. Thank you for watching. We learn as one, we rise as one. For questions or assistance, please do not hesitate to contact your teacher. See you next time!